Ever wondered what happens when you microwave a bar of soap? Well, it's a mesmerizing science experiment you can try at home with just a microwave and a bar of ivory soap. Unlike regular soap, ivory soap contains trapped air pockets which expand when heated, causing the soap to puff up like a cloud. As the moisture vaporizes and the air pockets inflate, the soap transforms into a fluffy, spongy mass. This experiment is not only a great visual treat, but it also demonstrates the principles of Charles's Law, which states that gas expands when heated. Just ensure you allow the soap to cool down before touching and enjoy the wonders of science in your kitchen.